एउटा बिजी छ प्रोग्राम होस्ट गर्ने रे त्यही भएर हल्का प्रिपरेसन गर्दैछ सो आई एम ओपनिङ टुडेज ब्लग सो वी आर हियर एट नेपाल फेस्टिभल 2025 एन्ड इट्स रेनिङ यहाँ चाहिँ परेड स्टार्ट हुँदैछ लेट मी सो यु गाइस बाबा स्माइल गरिदिनुहोस् इस्मा गरिदिनुहोस् इस्मा गुड job smile also happy new year 2082
Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. As I say, I'm here Auckland to eat a square match. We are here to celebrate the Nepal Festival 2025 and we are all present here ready for the parade and everyone are excited. The parade started just now. Stay with me and have fun.
Nisana hamro rato rotoni suyo हाके भाइको अगाडिको क्लिप खिच्नलाई वेलकम टु आवर च्यानल ब्युटिफुल निसा दी यहाँ छ ब्युटिफुल प्रनिसा मेरो बेस्टी हामी चाहिँ फेरि ट्विनिङ भएछ क्या एउटै कलर घलेक चाहिँ एउटै कलर भएछ फेरि गरे त ल बाबु बाबुले फोटो सेसन हुँदैछ
Hope you all had a lovely parade out there. It's me, Imo Ghale. I'll be your host for today's this beautiful event. I would like to invite all the 5 Panch Kanyas at the gate to welcome our esteemed guest, and also I would like to request all our past executive members and officials of New Zealand Nepal Society to come closer to the stage or at the gate so that we can welcome all our esteemed guests. And at the meantime, the official show or the event will start from 2 p.m. So we are just here to welcome all the guests. By the meantime, you guys can visit all the stalls available here. So you guys can try some of the Nepalese food out there. If you are keen, if you love momo, you can try the momo and the other Nepalese food out there. Panch Kanyaharu चाहिँ गेस्टहरूलाई वेलकम गर्नको लागि स्टेजमा आइसकेका छन्. Beautiful ladies. Hello. Okay guys, advised by our Aparna, हजुरले चाहिँ हाम्रो ग्रेस इन्टरनेसनलको स्टोरमा गएर चाहिँ साइन इन गर्नु चाहिँ नभुल्नु होला, otherwise you will miss an opportunity to win Samsung Galaxy Tab. Right, Nepali had a set. We have Himalayan Indian restaurant bar right here in front of you.
Thanks for that, man. So we are New Zealand's first Netflix community-based canvas provider. So we transfer people's photo into a timeless canvas print. So people can see this photo and we transfer the beautiful canvas.
Okay, moving forward, we have something more interesting here, and looks like they are quite busy. To have you join us today to to celebrate the joy, culture and heritage of Nepal as we welcome the Nepali New Year 2082. So once again, wish you all a Happy New Year 2082. Today we came together not just to mark the beginning of a new year, but to celebrate unity in diversity, the richness of Nepali tradition. Myself, Nimo Ghale, and I'm delighted to be your host for today's beautiful event, Nepal Festival, organized by New Zealand Nepal Society. Nepal Festival is a vibrant showcase of Nepali heritage, tradition and contemporary culture to the live music. Food stall offering Nepali delicates and browse handcrafted item representing Nepal's artistic tradition and to celebrate the Nepal New Year. So once again, I would like to welcome you all to Nepal Festival 2025 to celebrate the joy, culture and the heritage of Nepal. Moving on to the cheering session. Before we begin, I would like to respectfully welcome the President of New Zealand Nepalese Society, Dr. Roshan Khadka, to have seat. Likewise, I would like to welcome Nancy Liu, Member of Parliament for National Party, and Vanashi Walter, Member of Parliament for Labour Party. I would also like to welcome Jessica Hong from Ethnic Responsiveness Manager, NZ Police.
Hello, namaste. Can I take one video? Yeah. Thank you.
I would like to invite the President of New Zealand Nepalese Society, Dr. Roshan Khadka, Nancy Liu, Member of Parliament, and Vanushi Walter to come forward for the lighting of the traditional lamp, symbolizing wisdom, positivity, and a bright new beginning. Come on guys, talima conjure garnu bhayen hai. Our President, Dr. Roshan Khadka, on the stage to deliver the welcome speech.
And kia ora. First of all, I would like to briefly introduce myself. So my name is Roshan Khadka. Okay, so as you all know, Nepal Festival, this is our big celebration of food, art and culture. So I would like to welcome you all for this wonderful event of Nepalese community. So once again, thank you everyone for joining us and celebrating our beautiful culture in New Zealand. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Roshan Khadka, for your warm welcome speech. Light up the stage now. Let's take a delightful journey across the vibrant region of Nepal, from the majestic west to the beautiful east. Up next, the group that I'm going to invite on the stage will present you the energetic and colorful performance on the song Kohi Paschim, Kohi Purva, a dance that celebrates the diversity, unity and culture richness of Nepal. So please welcome our talented performers. They are none other than Bimala, Asina, Anjana, Rajani and Manisha. Performance. Okay, moving forward guys, it's just the beginning of the show for Nepal Festival 2025, or I can say just the starter. We have still many more performances to go and we have 4 Nepali bands performing tonight. And it is my distinct
जीवनलाई भोक लाग्यो राजा भोक लाग्यो 5 minutes okay
Only for the event that you put on this year, but for the events that you put on every year.
मेरो assistant
I am about to be sworn back into
हावा हमको त्यसो गर्मी भयो अलि पानी
This is a festival I never miss, so it's a pleasure to be here with you.
सक्यो बेबी
मेरो पार्ट सक्यो अब रमाइलो गर्ने
के रमाइलो म टायर्ड छु लास्टै हिल लगाएर आएर के खुट्टा दुख्यो
अब हिल पुगालेर बस न बाबु
खाने टाइम भएको छ
I think it's the first time I have like fully hosted the show in English, so I found it quite comfortable as well and like it.
राम्रै भयो थियो मैले त्यही एन्डिङ चाहिँ मिस भयो बाबुलाई दुध खुलाउन
No worries.
यहाँ अकल्यान्ड सिटीमा होइन पहिलाको मेमोरिजहरू सोच्दै
यो बाटो यताबाट हिँड्दा ग्रोसरिज गर्न जान्थ्यौँ त्यहाँ काउन्टाउनमा
त्यही त लाइन त किसिमले रहेछ स्क्यानर पहिला तिमीलाई ब्याग परेर बोतल पर्नु पनि भनिरहेको बोतल पर्न पनि यस्तो ब्याग है
अब चाहिँ मेरो टाइममा बोतल परोस् भनेर प्रे गर्छु उसले बोतल पऱ्यो भने म शान्तिलाई दिन्छु
फेरि स्कुल गएर भएन है लाइन लाउँदै तपाईँ हामीलाई ग्रेस इन्टरनेसनलले चाहिँ यो गेम यो स्पिन गर्ने गेम छ अनि यहाँ चाहिँ ब्याग छाता होइन हुडी के पर्छ
Bolo pala ako.
चर्चा गर्ने
Better luck next time रे
तिमी गर
मोडर्न त यहाँको मजदुरी गरेर आएको हो यस्तो तालमा आएको छ उता उता घुमाउँ ए है तल लास्टमा नम्बर नै राख्दै है क्याप्सन
यो चाहिँ खुला एडभर्टिजमेन्ट हो क्या भाइ
के गरौँ सम्झिँदा हाले के गरौँ बाबु थियो चेन्ज गरिदियो कि चाहिँ
Maria सबैजना गाइदिनु होला प्लिज Let's go! यस्तै एनर्जी चाहियो है अब ल लेट्स गो
Okay guys, so that's the end of today's vlog. We had a really fun at Nepal Festival 2025. It was amazing. So
Thank you for watching.
thank you for watching our channel. Stay tuned. See you next time.
हामी चाहिँ घर जाँदै बाई बाई
थाहा छैन यो चाहिँ अर्को वर्षसम्म चाहिँ आउँछ होला
चिकन करी लोकल कुखुरा हैन लोकल कुखुराको झोल थ्याङ्क यू दाई हामी चाहिँ यति टायर्ड प्रोग्रामबाट हामी लास्टसम्म बस्थ्यौँ होइन प्रोग्राममा अनि यहाँ घर आउँदाखेरि 9:15 भयो थियो क्या अहिले यहाँ हेर हामी चट्ट आउन साथ ड्रेस चेन्ज गरेर खाना खाइहाल्न पाउने यस्तो भाग्यमानी एनर्जी यहाँ धेरै छ होइन डान्स सिक्नलाई हो प्रन्सा उहाँ दाइ फेरि उहाँ ड्युटीमा उता भाउजू पनि भित्र ड्युटीमा नाइट शिफ्ट होइन ओके छ त गाइज गुड नाइट थ्याङ्क यू फर वाचिङ होइन
See you in our next vlog.